Alright, so now you see how we can make a Contact Us slide option 2 with a stunning effect but without video. This is accomplished with 2 slides instead of 1. Let's review what we need this time. The task challenge is the same, but for the option 2 you need only a PowerPoint. You don't need a video reductor because we won't do a video. The graphics are the same images and icons that we will use on this slide. The text, the additional text for the second slide, it consists of 4 text boxes. And instead of the video, we need a screenshot of the website page. Here I already prepared the screenshot of my website page, and you can make a screenshot from the screen from your website. But this time you should make a photo from the screen where you already show people where to put the cursor or where to fill the contact form, not the whole side, because you do not have so much place on your slide. Okay, let's start from the previous lesson where we already crafted the Contact Us slide with a video. Then let us delete the video from the screen and leave everything as it is. Let's go to our tools, to our instruments and prepared graphics, and take a screenshot of the web page. Copy it and place it on our slide. Let's align it properly. Reduce its size holding Shift key to not lose the proportions, and let's see if it will be visible beneath the screen. I think it will a little, so I will crop it until this point. Okay, then let's put it back, center back. Alright, now let's see what we have. Slideshow from current slide. So now we have to fix the animation. On the slide, go to the animation pane. Here you can see that there is a gap between the last picture and the hand that points on the screen, because we left this gap from the previous time to show the video. Now we should reduce this time. In fact, now when we do not have video, we can select all animation and make it start after previous. Next thing, when we deleted the video, its animation were gone, but I'd like to change the sequence of some objects. And of course we should add the appearance of our screenshot of the website. Let's make it first animation, add animation. Let's go to more entrance effects and choose split. Alright, change the direction vertical out, play form. Alright, then put it after the screen shows. So then here after picture 20, yes, and make it after previous. Alright, let's see what we have. What it does, NeitDesign. And I also should work with the hand movement. It should show the Contact Us form. Let's make it closer. Okay, the hand should go. I will edit the last point, the last red point. A little to right and slightly up. Okay, I think it's good. Let's play form. Let's play all. Okay, now I want to change some sequence or order of appearing the animation and to delete the hand disappearing, because we have the next slide after this one when the hand will push the button, will show where to push the button. It already transits to other slide, so we don't have to make a hand disappear. So let's delete the animation of hand disappearing. And let's play all to see what else we should change. Okay, this logo should appear after our screen appears. 49 after picture 33. Okay, then I want this block go before the hand appears on the slide. This block goes before picture 30 movement. Let's play all. Great. Next thing, we are creating the new slide. And put there our screen capture, but in all size. Let's see if the size is good. Not so good as I expected. Let's make it smaller and crop it. Format, crop, aspect ratio 16:9, our slide size. And holding the Shift key, we'll drag it down a little, so the upper part of the picture will be visible. Now we should align it to the slide limits. And see again. Well, it's pretty good on the maximum size of the slide. What we are doing next, let's close the animation pane. Now we have to insert the shapes and choose rectangle on the whole length of the slide. Shape fill black and shape outline no outline. Then click on this button to use format shape fill and use transparency up to 64%. Okay, next, insert shapes rounded rectangle and place it above the contact me form. The angle of rounded rectangle could be edited with this yellow point. Align it properly and then click on the transparent rectangle and on this rounded rectangle, go to format, go to subtract and subtract shapes. Now we have the shape of a rectangle and a subtracted rectangle from it, and this is the whole shape. Let's place it properly, align the middle and on the center. And now we want to show where the visitor can click and what will be the result. Let's take the text from our text boxes, type in your name, your email, will select all these text boxes, copy them and bring them here. Now I want to change the font for Open Sans. Change the color. We already have a shadow. Place a shadow on your font and reduce the font size. Okay, next insert shapes and an arrow. Let's make it closer to align everything. Shape outline, no outline, shape fill. I will choose contrast purple color and I want also put in shadow. I want also to make a word name of another, your name of another color and of another font. We used a font on the previous slide, Blackjack. Let's copy it and put it for the words your name. As we can see, this handwriting font, another family font compared to the Open Sans. Its size is not the same as the size of the Open Sans, so we have to make it bigger. Align it and I will also want to bring it to front. I will reduce a little the text box. Make alignment again. Now we choose the arrow and duplicate it, Ctrl D. Align it to the screen and to the other object and Ctrl D again to show it for the window of enter your question. Let's copy the format of typing text. Reduce the text box. Copy the format of your name and apply it to email. Copy the format and apply it to your question. Do the same for your question, for a question. Align it. Press the button and we'll contact you ASAP. Let's show the send button here. Insert shapes and a circle. This time we do not need a shape fill, but we need a shape outline and make the weight of the line more prominent. Next, copy the format from the previous text box. Align it. Using smart guides, they are very useful for sometimes, so we can see the center of our previous text boxes and the center of the circle where we're placing the text box. Copy our handwriting font. Then let's reduce the distance between the first line and the second line. Go to the paragraph, exactly, and about 40. Well, like this, 32. This is it with the design, and now we are moving forward for setting animation and transition. I will delete an animation from the text boxes and proceed. First, what should appear is our semi-transparent rectangle. Let's add animation and make it fade. Next thing that should appear is a text box. It should wipe from left, and right after it the arrow should wipe. Next, let's select all these animations and use after previous. Then we can copy the format of animation by Animation Painter and apply it to the next text box and to the next arrow. Then I would like to animate the circle first and then the last text box. Animate the circle. Go to the more entrance effects and use wheel, but duration, let's reduce its duration. After previous. and animate the last text box. Let's see what we have. Slideshow. Great. Now we should set a transition between slides. We go to our previous slide where we show where to fill in contact form. It starts with a fade effect, but we should put its end after 0 seconds and unlock on mouse click. We want only this box checked. And then let's use zoom effect and let's see what we have. So that's all what I wanted to show you about the Contact Us slide. Thank you for watching this and staying with me. The next videos coming soon, the next week. Stay tuned. Goodbye.